Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey folks, it's time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 F 彤。
你好，大家好，我係 Josephine. Recently, there's a lot of talks about how, and this applies to every country in the world, how every country is trying to cut down on smoking. 其实现在呢，连台湾呢、亚洲呢，还有日本呢等等这些国家呢，最近都在讨论说禁烟这个问题。那其实很多西方国家，尤其像这个美国那边的话，早在很多地方就有在禁烟了。
像餐堂啊，像饭店啊，禁烟。
对，餐堂是餐厅，对不对？Yeah, in restaurants you can't smoke anymore. At KTVs they're even talking about not smoking in there. I know it's going to be very difficult, but at least the government is thinking about this. So this is affecting the industry here in Taiwan as well. 然后最近我才知道，我们以前讨论到这个美浓嘛，对不对？那美浓对我来讲就是伞，纸伞。
纸扎
对，纸扎we talked about this township here in Taiwan in Kaohsiung County called 美浓, and all I know is that they're famous for their umbrellas, their paper umbrellas. But I just found out that there's a big agricultural industry for tobacco in Meinong. And so, what the government really needs to think about is, how to solve this problem, because we all want to promote a non-smoking environment. 所以今天呢，我们来教大家一些跟这个戒烟啦、禁烟啦、抽二手烟啦的一些单词好了。OK， 先讲说抽烟怎么说呢？
爆烟
爆烟，好像有教过哦。
有啊，
爆烟，刚刚破昏嘛那样子。OK， 那所以抽烟不好，所以我们要戒烟。
戒烟
，quit smoking. 戒烟 that's quit smoking. And one of the reasons why smoking is not good is because there's secondhand smoke, and that affects not yourself but everyone around you. 二手烟很不好，二手烟怎么说？
泥塑烟。
泥塑烟二手烟 Okay, 泥塑烟 that's secondhand smoke. And ultimately, we want to develop a non-smoking environment. 就是要提倡禁烟。
禁烟。
禁烟 Okay, 禁烟 that's non-smoking, basically. Let's review those words again. 抽烟 smoking.
爆烟。
爆烟 then you have to quit smoking. 戒烟。
戒烟。
戒烟然后二手烟。
泥塑烟。
泥塑烟。
禁烟。
禁烟 So the idea today is to bring this awareness to everyone one more time, and we just hope that the country can achieve a non-smoking status as soon as possible. That does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
是母太嘎。
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.